To today's update. So we're just looking at the US30 at the moment, and we want to really talk about yesterday's price action after the CPI data. So obviously the CPI data was good news in a sense that the year on year and the monthly showed some solid drops below expectations, but we did see a good move lower from the USD, and we saw cryptocurrencies rally, and we saw risk currencies rally to the US dollar, and we saw gold put in a fantastic rally. But it was marred a little bit by a very late session fade, and that fade is what we're looking at today on the US30. So we can see that really strong rally all the way up to 34,940, and then we saw a pullback all the way back down. So it definitely shows a touch of worry, and it definitely tells us that buyers aren't that comfortable above this area of resistance, that previous high at 34,610. And that is really the question I'm asking at the moment: is the market really ready to take that next step and continue higher? Are we going to see a continuation push up that could end up seeing, levels of, 35,850 or possibly even levels above that reached again? At the moment, I have to say that there's a bit of a worry going on, and the market does look like it's having a fair bit of issue above 34, 578 to that level we just spoke about before. Now, if we do see a new rally, we really would like to see this level at 35,250 broken, but let's have a look at things on the short term, for instance, now. So we really just need to see this level here broken at 34,610, and until that happens, we're going to continue to trade a little bit cautiously on US30. If you were trading short term yesterday, that was a fantastic rally. I think most take profits would have been taken out pretty comfortably, and now we just want to see what happens with the FOMC. Maybe there's a little bit of nerves in the market regarding that, and traders are really wanting to see if there's any new message from the Fed that's more on the dovish stance. We do have more lower CPI. The PPI was higher last week, so now I think it's really on to see what the Fed will do. I still think there will be a 50-point rate rise. The gambler in me might say there might be a 25 points, but definitely, realistically and, thinking from common sense, probably we will see that 50-point rate rise, which is a reduction on what we have seen previously. And then we really just want to see the message from the Fed, and maybe that will be the trigger that really gets buying going again on the US30 and seeing some gains held. But other than that, we'll just continue to wait and see what's going to happen next. And if we do see a disappointing, message from the Fed, maybe we will see a new move by sellers. So we'll just have to see how this week pans out. So thanks very much for your time today. Please feel free to subscribe. We'd love to hear your comments and feedback as well. So please feel free to drop them back over to us as well. So all the best with your trading, and bye for now.